Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my university essentials, some of the most important things I bought for uni. So number one on my list for every university student, of course you know, without your laptop there's no way we can do uni stuff. It's very essential. That's number one on my list. So I have this Lenovo laptop. Thank goodness I have this when I was in college. So my Lenovo laptop, I am going to be using it all the way in university. It's very essential. You cannot use a tablet in uni, and you cannot use a phone because there are some assignments you have to download on your laptop and you have to bring them out. Your books where you have to read online, there's no way. So it's very essential you own a laptop. And that's my laptop. If you don't have one, you need to get it. That's very important. That's my top list. And very important for me as well, I need to have like a bag where I can be taken to uni every day. Sometimes I don't want to use the computer in the library, so I might just want to pop in my laptop inside my books and things like that. This is very convenient and it's waterproof. I got this while I was in college, so easy for me. So this is the bag for you have to own a bag for uni and for every day, so that I can remember my homework, I can remember my assignments, I can remember things to do. I bought this little book, Things to Do. I bought it from Wiko. So as a student, you just don't want to fall behind on doing things, because if you think you're gonna remember it in your head, you might not remember everything. So I find it easy to just write them down. So I bought this helpful book from Wiko. That's part of my essential. And from Wiko as well, I think this is from a pound shop. I bought a lighter with 4 different colors. The reason why I bought my lighter is that sometimes if I do take notes in my class with my tutor, there are some things I want to remember, or when I'm reading stuff or printed out stuff. So with my highlighter, I light it so that when I'm writing my assignment, it's just so easy for me. As a student, you need a lighter, so you can't always have everything. Can't be brilliant to have everything in your head. So I've got a lighter. I've got my sticky glue. The reason why I have sticky glue is that sometimes I might want to write a timetable, I want to do something on my reading space. I just put my sticky glue and stick it on the wall. So that's very essential for me. And I've got this letter file. It's for like A4 paper. So if I print my documents or print out my assignment or things, I just stick it here. It's easy for me to get organized. So I bought that from Pound Shop. It's very easy. And I got this pen pencil case from Pound Shop as well, because if I do have my pen, I just don't want to put it in my bag. I'm looking for it around. So I bought this pencil case to put all my pen together, so that I will know what pen I have. And going next, as a student, is very essential you hold a printer. So I bought my printer from Hago. So you need a printer, because not every time you open the library you might be doing a whole chunk of your work at home, so you need your printer. This reason why I really bought this printer is because it's got like 6 months instant ink included. So before I start thinking of ink now, it's got like 6 months something included. It's HP. His HP is really nice, and it's wireless. You can do a lot of things with it. So as a student, very essential to own a printer. And again, I've got my A4 paper for me to print. It's very essential you have A4 paper. They've got is it 500 copies of A4 paper. They sell it in Wiko. It's a lot. It's £3, but this one I just bought from Pound Shop. I already bought this one before I saw the one in Wiko. So it's essential for you to have your A4 paper to print. Of course, you can't be in school without a notebook. I really love this project book because it's got a divider. You can use one section for each subject or things you want to remember. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's divided into 5 parts. It's really easy. I bought it from Biko. It's only £4, but very useful because this is like 4 books in one instead of buying different book. I love it, and I love the hardcover as well. And I got an extra notebook as well, so when I need it, so yeah, very essential to have that. And I have my folders to get me organized, guys. So that is it really, guys. So this is few of the most important things you need as a student. I'm not talking about the ones who need accommodation, because obviously as a student, if you do need an accommodation, you need your kitchen stuff, you need your reading table, you need your studying space and that. So guys, I'm very excited for uni. It's gonna start soon. So guys, if you've enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do. And I'll see you in my next. Take care. Bye bye.